everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share a fantastic drink that can help you lose weight fast while also cleansing out toxins from your body. This drink is 100% natural and packed with anti-inflammatory ingredients. Let's dive in. Before we get started, let's talk about why this drink is so amazing. It helps with weight loss by boosting your metabolism, reducing inflammation, and flushing out toxins. Plus, it's super easy to make. Here are the ingredients we'll be using today. Apple cider vinegar. This is a powerful ingredient that helps control appetite and supports digestion. It's great for weight loss. Lemon. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and helps detoxify the body. It also adds a refreshing flavor to our drink. Ginger. Ginger is an anti-inflammatory powerhouse that helps with digestion and boosts metabolism. Water. And of course, we need water to mix everything together. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's make our weight loss drink. First, we need to squeeze our lemon. I'm using one whole lemon for this recipe. Rolling it on the counter helps release more juice. We want about 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Next, let's prepare our ginger. I have about an inch of fresh ginger here. I'm going to peel it and then grate it. Now, let's combine everything. In a bowl or pitcher, add the grated ginger, lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Next, we'll add 2 cups of water. Stir everything well to combine. You can also add a little honey or maple syrup if you like it sweeter. To make it smooth, we can strain the mixture to remove the ginger pulp. Now, our drink is ready. You can serve it over ice for a refreshing boost. To get the best results, drink this mixture in the morning on an empty stomach. It helps kickstart your metabolism for the day. You can also enjoy it before meals to help control your appetite. While this drink is great for weight loss, remember that it works best when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Here are a few extra tips. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Eat whole foods. Focus on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Avoid processed foods. Cut back on sugary snacks and fast food. Exercise regularly. Aim for at least 30 minutes of activity most days of the week. This 100% natural anti-inflammatory drink is an easy and effective way to support your weight loss journey and cleanse your body of toxins. I hope you give it a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more healthy recipes and tips. Let me know in the comments how your drink turned out and how it helped you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Stay healthy.